You want me to show mine? Yeah, I'm gonna show mine. You want me to show mine? I'm gonna show mine, yeah, yeah. How you gonna swear on a brother just like that? It's alright, I can give it to you right back. Ain't nobody better for this job than me. Open up your eyes and you will see. Turn until you're doomed. Missing persons in the room. Evil seekers loom. They're coming for you soon. Coming for you soon. For you soon. You want me to show mine? I'm gonna show mine. You want me to show mine? Nobody got nothing. I'm gonna show mine, yeah, yeah.
Say what you want, it don't matter to me. You're just a snake that tricked Adam and Eve. This is how haters react when they see someone come to the front from the back of the scene. I'm a nasty MC, master supreme, attacking the game, every crack, every seam. I take it apart like repairing a clock, place the pieces together so accurately, so nice and precise. I'm running on time, I'm right to the second, I'm never behind. Don't ever pretend that I never let them get to me mentally, get to my head. They did what they did and they said what they said. I'll never forgive and I'll never forget. They made that decision, they made their own bed. Now they gotta just live with the shitty regrets.
Show mine. Yeah, I'm gonna show mine. You want me to show mine? I'm gonna show mine, yeah.
In the city that never rests, neither do I. Cause you gotta be the best to get that piece of the pie. When everybody wanna get it, competition is live. And I got that drive like I'm on a mission from God. But nothing's gonna stop this inner vision of mine. I'm shooting for the moon, I'm on a mission from Mars. And I'm spitting these bars till the whole world sees my ass everywhere like Nicki Minaj. That's the mission, why they hating? Stay out my business, I'm complacent. I'm just saying, every time I make a move, someone's got a problem with me or an observation. Are they mad that I